So your two pom-pom are ready to be attached in the corner. So for the corner, I will do like a diagonal. I go and get it on the other side, and this one will go the same place the other one get out, so that way it will be tight, not all loose and jiggle. Is that a word? Not jiggle, but it will be stable there. And now I will go through the heart of the pom-pom with the tail to hide it, and I will do the same thing with the other side. I wish you a good week. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will make more. Don't worry, I have more than 500 video already, and I'm not gonna stop. I try to reach 1,000 soon. Could be nice. So I do the same thing here, there, and I will attach it. So voila, the video for this week. Wish you a great week. Ciao ciao.